What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys everything Jasmy. The Bitcoin of Japan is making waves and continues to crush it. And Jasmy is on its way, guys. It's completely on its way to crazy levels, crazy potential highs in the future. A lot of people will be shocked. A lot of people will be blown away when it happens. But hey, when it does happen, don't say I didn't warn you guys. Don't say nobody told me, right? Don't say oh my gosh, I could have had this, I could have bought this, I could have bought Jasmy at this price. I had one, because they got people that got into Jasmy, bought at the lows and already sold out, you know, already moved on to a next project, right? No patience, right? But for, so you know, when Jasmy absolutely goes ballistic, right? Don't be one of those people that gets left behind, or is one of those people that regrets it in the future when the Jasmy price explodes, man. I'm telling you, don't be one of those people, guys. Jasmy fam, thank you all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Jasmy and myself will be in the description. Also, go support all my previous Jasmy videos. Consistent content about Jasmy on the channel. I'll never stop making this content because I'm super bullish on Jasmy and I really want to see the success of this project. Our target on this channel is $1 per Jasmy. That's our target. There are naysayers in my comment section. There are people that FUD the project in my comment section. But I don't care what you guys say. $1 Jasmy is the target and it's gonna happen. And you know, leave the naysayers in the dust, right? So Jasmy sitting at 00430 right now, $430 for 100k Jasmy, making a nice move up. The trend is still intact. That uptrend that we were in is still intact. That is very bullish to see. Very nice for Jasmy. $209 million in market cap, 26 million in 24-hour trade volume. Man, people constantly shilling other projects under Jasmy. Richie M, I'm bullish on Jasmy. Shout out to Richie M. From Willow, Jasmy should have been at least 1 to 10 cents by now. That's how you know it's going to rocket soon. From Millhouse, I told you, big old cup and handle from Maze. Buckle up, my friends. Coin Hunter, Jasmy going to make a lot of people millionaires. Facts. Peter Pranker, to all my Japanese friends, let's go. Gabriel, start building. Definitely will grow more than the last all-time high. Man, more than the last all-time high for Jasmy. Jeez. Golden BTC, Jasmy is possible to reach $1. Many great news of Jasmy. That's our target on the channel, man. $1 Jasmy. As we continue on, Jasmy fam, we got a tweet right here from someone in the Japanese community. Level 08. The Rakuten economic zone is very familiar to Japanese people. Currently, the stock market is crashing due to various factors. It has a well-established market and also involved in the telecommunications line business, a group that can be strong partner for Jasmy. As a Japanese person, I don't think Rakuten should be bought at a bargain price because of the weak yen. Okay, 279. The announcement has been made. The Eagle has landed. The CEO of Jasmy is currently in San Francisco. Y'all hear that? The team putting in that work. Why are people fudding and you know, talking down on this project and not buying a bag? The team is putting in that work. Stop fading the Jasmy fam, guys. Stop fading the Jasmy team. Establishing connections and forming partnerships with the technology company that holds the latest technologies. If you haven't heard about it, you must be uninformed. And if you overlook this amazing chance to invest in Jasmy, you'll regret it later when its value rises significantly. Shout out to 279. Value rises significantly. Are you gonna fade that, man? Comparable to the price of a cup of coffee. One Jasmy is 1 cup of coffee. One Jasmy is 1 cup of coffee, y'all. As of now, it stands at 0043 just 3 weeks ago. In my previous message, it was at 0034. Now it has reached at a higher price. Here are the current partnerships and alliances of Jasmy in Asia and the US from BJIT. We got some images right here. Not loading too well. Is it my internet, or is the image just blurry? BJIT Global, okay, maybe the image is just blurry, but BJIT Global Outsourcing Company, more partners, more clients for Jasmy, man. Access, VirtualX, KJS, Kyocera, GMO, Brother at Your Side, and Archeco, Fellows, ton of partnerships, ton of companies, man, in the Jasmy ecosystem. Google, Sony, Panasonic, Toshiba, Docomo, Denka, Dassault Systems, Metso, Rakuten, SourceNext, NTT Data, Dream Online, Fujisoft. There's so much connections for Jasmy, guys. Google and Sony, Panasonic, Toshiba, huge names, man, huge names, and people will continue to fade this project. That's on them. The candle wick, looking for Jasmy to close a daily above SMA 50. Once flipped, when the push to mid channel resistance at a previous high, consolidate there for a bit, then head to SMA 100 to 200. Okay, so we're gonna make a move up to that 005 mark, and that is where we'll see the SMA 100 to 200 level consolidate there for a bit, and let's see if we keep pushing that up, man, so we could flip that to support, flip it from resistance to support, guys. Let's see what happens from there, guys. Candlestick maker, the best time to buy Jasmy is when the FUD is high. Facts. Always buy the red, never buy the green, guys, because there's gonna be people that's FOMOing into Jasmy when it starts rocketing and just absolutely starts sending to crazy high levels. Don't be one of those people, man. Buy the fear, buy the red days. Don't buy those, don't ever FOMO. Don't ever buy huge green candles. Buy the red days, accumulate on red days, and then guess what? Wait until the bull market, take your profits. It's that simple. A lot of times in crypto we tend to overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate things, guys. Just keep it simple. Leave emotions out. We know there's a bull market that is eventually going to happen. We know we're gonna get profits on good altcoins, even if you can't afford as much as you would like as a bag. You still have exposure to the project, you still get gains for the bull cycle, you still make money from crypto, and that's what it's all about. Profit is profit, guys, I'm telling you. So yeah, when the price crashes, when you're so terrified you question your own conviction in Jasmy, because if a diamond hand like yourself is in fear, cotton hands have already sold at a big loss and the price is bottomed, right? Don't fade it, man. Telling you, the Bitcoin of Japan is gonna make waves. From saying 1K, underline the important points, not to mention our Jasmy was a gold sponsor at IVS conference in Kyoto, JPN, where Hara took the main stage explaining data democratization to the masses. First mover Asia, Bitcoin maintains 30K at prospective issuers refile ETF applications. Plus, Japan is a regulatory success story when it comes to digital assets and Web3, but walking around the recent IVS crypto conference in Kyoto, one can't help but feel that something is amiss, right? One can't help that something is amiss, because guess what? They haven't took a look at Jasmy yet, right? They're too focused on Bitcoin. They're not focused on Jasmy yet. Eventually they will be. Jasmy IVS Crypto 2023 Japan Blockchain Conference, sponsored by Ripple. Japan charts the future of blockchain, and that's the thing. Jasmy, like all of the people that showed up there were, obviously the people at the IVS event were top names in the stock market and crypto all over, and a lot of them got exposure to Jasmy, got to see it for what it is, see what the project is about, saw Hara on stage explaining what the project is about, and I'm sure it piqued a lot of people's interest, right? From Brian Riley, hi Jasmy family, receive a message from Hara on LinkedIn, seems they received a business proposal while at IVS, details to come, hopefully he'll update on Twitter soon. Jasmy. Brian Riley, sounds great. How's the IVS event going? Help you post pictures of it on Twitter. Good luck tomorrow. I know you will be speaking at the IVS event. The US Jasmy community is there with you in spirit. From Hara, thank you for your continued dedication and support. In fact, we received a very good proposal, and it looks like we will have a good business partnership. We would like to reach a proper agreement for the presentation. Can't wait to hear about it. Shout out to Brian Riley, man, getting all that info. Shout out to Jasmy Promoter 279, Candlewick, Candlestick Maker, saying 1K. Shout outs to all you guys. Shout out to Brian for getting that, that nice little inside info. From Jasmy US, Japanese tech growth continues. Semiconductor demand is set to keep growing as a post-COVID recovery takes hold, and the artificial intelligence boom drives the need for more memory and computing power. Global revenue is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030, doubling in the space of a decade, according to Ina Sova, market analyst at industry body SEMI. The duo have drawn investment from companies including Toyota Motors, Sony Group, and Nippon Telegraph and Telephone. Rapidus is working with IBM and Belgium-based microelectronics research hub IEMEC. And that ties into Jasmy because of what the Sony Group and obviously Nippon Telegraph and Telephone, right? Japanese, right? Nippon, Japan. All of this ties into Jasmy, man. Data, AI technology, all of these things will be huge in the future, and Jasmy's gonna have its market share carved out because of the utility and what it has developed. From the Aussie Life, Japanese smart cities are still in early stages of development. The IoT will connect a vast amount of devices and sensors throughout the city, allowing massive amounts of data to be collected and analyzed in real time. This data needs to be stored and protected. In comes Jasmy. Wow, so smart cities are already in the early stages of development. The Internet of Things will connect a vast amount of devices and sensors throughout the city. Again, guys, you already know how the Internet of Things work. It's gonna be like devices like your phone or some, pretty much your phone controlling things from from long distances. It could be your air conditioner, washing machines, TVs, computers, not just computers, but regular household appliances, right? You could turn them on and off and set up sensors with them with your device through the IoT software. And again, from Aussie Life, this data needs to be stored and protected. And that's where that's when you see Jasmy's utility start to explode. And once there's the utility and innovation, people start to use it, that's when you see the price follows, guys. So yeah, man, Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Shout out to Aussie Life. Shout out to every single one of you at the Jasmy fam. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Jasmy and myself will be in the description. I'm telling you guys, the moon is gonna come sooner than you think, man. Accumulate, DCA, don't get left behind, guys. Thanks again for watching. Blow this video up, like the video, share it with the rest of the Jasmy fam on Twitter. Take the video, share it to people on Twitter. When people are making Jasmy tweets, share it under their tweets, share it with them. Let's blow up the Jasmy community. Let's make it even bigger than the XRP community, guys. That's the goal. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.